Okay, student. In question number 4, they are telling how many terms of AP must be taken to give a sum of. Means we need sum as 636, but how many terms must be taken? So in this question, we have to find the n number of terms. So what we are going to do here, we will take it as, we have to find n. Here we have to find n. What they have given? They have given a is equals to 9. Don't put this sign. A is equals to 9. Then we can calculate d. What is the formula for d? A square minus a1. So we will, a2 minus a1. So what we will do? We will subtract the 17 minus 9. So we will get as 8. So d is our 8. A we are having, and sum of, to give a sum of v, that is Sn should be 636. So here we will write the formula of Sn. So you know the formula of Sn is n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d is equals to what they have given. This we will write as it is. Now we will put the values. Watch it carefully here. N, we have to find this 2, and then square bracket means whole is in multiplication. So this 2 we can transpose that side. So what I will write? I'll write n here. 2 into a we are having 9. So we will put here 9 plus n we have to find out minus 1 d we have calculated, it is coming 8. So I'll write 8 here. 6 3 6 into 2. I brought 2 there. Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll write it as it is. Again I'll multiply, so it will come as 18 plus 8. We will multiply in both the numbers. So 18 minus 8 is equals to, you can multiply here. Okay, we have multiplied it by 2. Then what we are going to do? Here again we can solve 18 minus 8. So what it will become? It will become n bracket 18 minus 8 will be 10 plus 18 is equals to 1272. Now we will multiply n in both the numbers. So it will become 10n plus 8n square is equals to 1272. Now we will arrange here. We can see n square means it will be a quadratic equation. So what we will write? 8n square plus 10n. We are only changing the place. This we will transpose. So it will become 1272 is equals to 0. Now watch here carefully. 8 is an even number, 10 is an even number, and 1272 is also an even number. So there is something that we can take common. So we will search for a number which we can take common. So we can take 2 common. That means we can divide whole equation by 2. So if why we are dividing it by 2, we will divide it by 2 to reduce this equation into more simpler form. So what we are going to do? Dividing the equation by 2. Dividing the above equation by 2. Why I am dividing by 2? Because every number is a term, is an even term. We can reduce it. So इसको divide करेंगे तो n square plus it will come 5n minus again 2 से divide करेंगे तो it will come 636 is equals to 0. Now what you are going to do? You will multiply 4 into 636, and in rough column you will do prime factorization of that number. Prime factorization जब हम करेंगे तो हम 2 ग्रुप्स बनाएंगे नंबर्स का in such a way, मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग की तरह. ओके, सो दैट क्या आपका ये आना चाहिए 5n आना चाहिए प्लस. सो व्हाट इट विल बिकम? इट विल बिकम 4n स्क्वायर प्लस 48n come in minus plus 53 and minus 636 is equals to 0. Focus on middle two terms. When we solve them, automatically our answer will come. Now what we are going to do, when we have seen this, then again we will think how the grouping should be done so that we can take common. दो दो के pairs बनाने जिसमें से हम क्या निकाल सके, common. So we will search for the numbers which we can take common. So what we will do here, if we recall the table, we need to shift these two numbers. मैं इनकी जगह बदल रही हूँ. I am only changing the places. I am writing 53 and plus and minus 14. I have interchanged the places. 6 3 6 0. Now I have done the grouping of this two and grouping of this two. So when I will do the grouping, इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं common निकलेगा. It is even and it is odd. So only n will come out. So it will become 4n plus 53 as it is here. Minus sign. Now we will see how many za. 4 za we need कि 48 should be there. So if we take 12 stable, so it will come 4n minus again 636. We will see कि 12 में से कितना जा जाएगा. तो obviously it will come go by 53. ये माइनस साइन बाहर आ गया है तो यहाँ प्लस हो जाएगा. इज इक्वल्स टू 0. अगेन कॉमन लेंगे. सी ब्रैकेट के टर्म्स आर कमिंग सेम. इसका मतलब वी आर डूइंग करेक्ट. तो 4n प्लस 53 एक ब्रैकेट हो गया और दूसरा ब्रैकेट हो गया n माइनस 12 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. जब आप इक्वेट करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ n. सी देयर when we equate with zeros we get two values of n. N is equals to minus 53 by 4 और आपका आएगा n is equals to 12. Now we have studied that n can never be a negative or in fraction. तो इस वैल्यू को अपन करेंगे neglect and this will be the required answer. This is the answer because it is a positive whole number. So last answer, thus n is equals to 12. Okay, means 12 terms. Thus n is equals to 12. That is 12 terms give the sum. कितना sum देती हैं? 12 terms they gives the sum of 636. Okay, so this 12 is your answer.